Hello, good morning, dear students. So today we are going to do on-sync learning with seven, 28, 29. Okay, so three theorems in this video. So in the given figure, O is the center. O is the center of the circle. So if CPA, so this C, this is P, and this A, this is 90 degrees given over here. So if it is 90, always remember the next angle. This is vertical opposite angle. This angle. This all angles they are going to be equal to 90 degree because straight line it is 180 degree. 180 minus 90 it is going to be 90. Okay, so this angle, and this angle, all angles they are going to be 90 degree. Okay, so remember that. And next one, what is given over here? So to prove that A, so from here if we draw the line, so O, this OE, this EF, and AF. If you join this line, you can see a quadrilateral over here. So when a circle is drawn, they are touching all the points of circles. Okay, so if a line is drawn, okay, if a circle is drawn, they are touching the circle. Alright, okay, that means they are cyclic quadrilateral. So these are also the points. Your circle को point मा छुको जस्तै these 4 points will also touch the circle to make a circle. Okay, so this way the question is given. That you need to prove it. So whatever given, okay, so whatever the question is given, write out in the form of given. So O is the center of the circle, and CPA is 90 degree. Okay, so that thing will be write down. And what you need to prove? So you need to prove that AOEF, this AOEF, your tensor, or this is the cyclic quadrilateral. You need to prove it. So last time also I have told you cyclic quadrilateral one is okay. So either it can be the sum. Okay, the opposite angle को जुन sum छ त्यो sum must be 180 degree. So यो हुनु पर्यो 180 degree हुनु पर्यो कि त तिमीहरूको स्क्वायर एंगल हुनु पर्यो. So the upper point they are equal to each other. अब यो lower point they are equal to each other वाला हुनु पर्यो. So त्यो भएन भने so अर्को के हुनु पर्यो अरे भन्दाखेरि so the central angle must be 90. Sorry, diameter को opposite angle खालको. So the opposite angle is 90 degree त्यो वाला हुनु पर्यो. Otherwise the center angle is half, so double, and the circumference angle is double त्यो वाला हुनु पर्यो. Or सर्कलको जुन जुन रुल छ हो त्यो रुलमा कुनै एउटा रुल फलो गर्यो भने this proves that this is equal to cyclic quadrilateral. यहाँ तिमीले के प्रुभ गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि so you can also prove like this also. So यो भनेको बाहिरपट्टि यो कुनै लाइन ड्र भएको छ भने this angle and outer angle, this angle, if we can prove that these two angles they are equal to each other, then also they are cyclic quadrilateral because तिमीहरूको quadrilateral को बाहिरपट्टिको एंगल र भित्रपट्टिको एंगल जुन छ if they are equal to each other then they are cyclic quadrilateral है त्यो पनि त प्रुभ गरेको तिमीले. So this angle if these two are equal to each other then we can say that they are equal to each other है. कि त यो दुईटा प्लस गरेर 180 डिग्री हुनु पर्यो कि त यो दुईटा इक्वल हुनु पर्यो. then only we can say that they are cyclic quadrilateral. So let us go one by one. Okay, so this is the quadrilateral I'm talking about. It is highlighted over here. So A, O, E, F, they are highlighted. Okay, this is quadrilateral. You prove cyclic quadrilateral हो है भनेर. Cyclic quadrilateral भन्दा नि हुन्छ, icon cyclic भन्दा नि हुन्छ. अब तिमीहरूको एक्स ट्रायंगल प्रुभ गर्नु पर्यो नभए के प्रुभ गर्नु भनेर आउनु सक्छ. So construction चाहिँदो रहेछ. So construction के चाहिने भन्दाखेरि O र E, sorry, O र B, let us join them. Let us join O and B. So what will happen if we join OB? Okay, so let us go one by one. So first of all, we need to know one rule. In class 10 we have learned that whenever the circle is drawn, a chord is drawn, एउटा सेन्टरदेखि तिमीहरूको कर्डमा आछ 90 डिग्री यसरी भएको छ भने so class 9 मा पढेको रुल अनुसार so this line, okay, and this line they are going to be equal to each other. So AM is going to be BM, the line drawn from center to the chord, okay, and if it is a perpendicular then this will be bisected. That means AM and BM will be the equal huncha. So line drawn from the center to the chord at 90 degree bisect the chord. Okay, so your chord let's say so you this center center your chord ma line so 90 degree ma bonus this is going to be equal. Okay, so AM and BM they are going to be equal. So you can see a triangle over here. You can see a triangle. So draw over here. So you can see a triangle, and in this triangle you can see 90 degree. I told you just before also, if there is 90, then we can say that this is also 90 degree. 90 degree, 90 degree. Okay. Now, the similar type of figure you can see over here. From the center, the line is drawn. This is the chord. And whenever the line is drawn in the chord, right, okay, and if there is 90 degree, then this line and this line, they are going to be equal to each other. So AP and BP, PM, okay, so sorry, BP or PB, they are equal to each other on the right side. Your line, they are equal to each other on the right side. This line and this line, they are equal to each other. Okay, so let us go to the next clip. You want to suggest me anything? Okay, in question, statement number one, AP equals to BP. AP and BP, they are equal to each other. Say AP and BP, they are going to be equal because this is a triangle, 90 degrees there. So if there is 90 degree and if the line is drawn from the center to the chord, and if it is 90 degree, then these two angles, they are going to be bisected. AP and BP, they are going to be equal to each other. Why they are equal? Because the perpendicular from the center bisect the chord AB. So perpendicular drawn from the center bisect the chord. You chord like bisect. Bisect means minus two sector ma, two parts ma divide by two part equal part okay. So next one, after this, so A, aware no? So AOP, so AOP, this angle and this angle, they are also going to be equal to each other because whenever there is a triangle made in a similar way, then this angle and this angle, they are also going to be equal. Okay, so your median is available angle like bicycle are going to be equal. Okay, so you did angle from equal one or clear होता है. So what is there? So here we can see that if this angle and this angle are equal, then S को opposite arc पर तो equal लेकर find से. Okay, so AOC को opposite arc it is AC. AC. Okay. So what is the opposite arc of BOP? So BOP. इसको opposite arc कौन होता है? मतलब अरे BOP होगा ये angle. ये angle को opposite arc it is BC. Hmm? So C the in actually B1 is that means इसको opposite arc it is going to be BC. BC arc. Right? So from statement 2 ये दुटा equal हो, केवल ये ऊपर equal हुआ. So इसको opposite arc कियो, इसको opposite arc कियो. That's why they are equal to each other. Okay. Next one we can go like this now. So look at my statement number 4. So AFB, if you see this angle, let me focus this one. So AFB, so here, so the angle, the opposite angle of this, the opposite arc of this angle. So AFB, let me write properly. Let me highlight this one. So AFB. So your angle it is in the circumference. Or you center माथि त्यो भएर इक्वल लेख्यो तर यो त केमा छ त it is in the circumference. Circumference मा छ भने arc के हुन्छ it is going to be half. है arc double हुन्छ angle half हुन्छ. Okay. So AFB this angle यसको opposite arc कुन हो त भन्दाखेरि it is going to be this one. Let's go from A to B. Let us draw this line. You are. So इसको नाम के लेख्ने त either ACB लेख्दा भयो नभए AB लेख्दा पनि भयो. So हेरौँ त के लेखेको छ. So AFB it is half of AB. Okay, so this line it is half of AB. Correct? So why they are equal? So why they are half? Because angle made in the circumference. Okay, so a circumference to angle to opposite June arc, so this is going to be half of it. So it's going to be half of it. Okay, the angle at the circumference is half of the opposite arc. Now, so AOC. Let us go. So AOC जुन छ AOC भनेको यो AB को आधी हो किन किनभने so this arc and this arc they are equal to each other. So AC and BC they are equal to each other. AC र BC they are equal to each other. Okay, यो arc दुईटा equal छ अरे हामीले यो पुरै arc बनायौं भने यो सपोज 5 सेन्टिमिटर छ अरे भने यो कति हो त यो त 2.5 भयो किनभने यो र यो इक्वल छ यो टोटल त 5 भयो. So 5 भनेपछि यो कति हो त it is half of this whole arc. AB को यो आधी हो है. So AOC जुन छ let us see over here. So AOC angle AOC this angle it is this angle is half of AC. Hmm, it is, sorry, it is equal to AC. अनि यो AC चाहिँ के हो त, it is half of AB. यो AB को आधी हो, यो AB को आधी कसरी भयो त भन्दाखेरि AB भनेको के हो, AB भनेको clear this first. So AB यहाँदेखि यहाँसम्म है, AB means AC plus BC, बुझ्यो, AB plus BC. So AC and BC are they equal to each other or not? AC and BC they are equal to each other. That means in place of BC also, what we can write down? We can write AC only, right? BC को हम लेख्न पाइन्छ, AC नै लेख्न पाइन्छ. So let us write down AC. So yeah, so AC and AC, that means AC plus AC will be what? AC plus AC, it will be 2AC. So it will be 2AC. Okay, so AB arc is equal to 2AC. Right? So AC, ये AC रहेगा ना, is equal to 2AC. Now let us go to the next. ये लेसन हमारे ये AB को opposite को AB, okay, AB को opposite angle को so let me focus this one. 6 in instrument 6. Okay, so here from here we have got, from here we have got this one. Okay, so we are just focusing on the first and the last one only. Now after that, so half ABC यो कसरी आयो भने देखाएको यो. Okay, so यो पछि यो लेख्नु पर्दैन, यो चाहिँ कसरी आयो भनेर just note मा देखाएको यो. So AC भनेको half AB हो. Okay, यो half AB कसरी आयो भनेर यसरी देखाएको हो, त्यो लेखिराख्नु पर्दैन. Okay, so this is just a note for you. Now let us focus just on this one and this one only. So AOC plus पछाडि लेख्यौं अरे हामीले. Now half AB भनेको के हो, half AB भनेको what is the value of half AB? It is AFB. It is AFB. AFB लाई के लेख्यौं अगाडि. Correct. So half AB को value AFB हो, त्यही भएर AFB लेखेको. Now this is equal to what? AOC. That's why let us write down AOC. So let us focus on the figure now. AFB means which angle? AFB means, so AFB means which angle? So AFB भनेको A, that is F, this is F, B. AFB means this angle. So next one is AOC. AOC means this angle. AOC means this angle. So what do you need to prove it? We need to prove that AOEF, this is a cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral भनेको जुन यो पट्टा छ यो equilateral, so quadrilateral देखो छ. यो quadrilateral को, if we can say that the inner angle and the outer angle, if they are equal, then what is the relation between them? That's the exterior angle, isn't it? So you भित्र the 180 degree हुन्छ their sum. Okay, so if one is inside, next is outside of the quadrilateral, and if they are equal to each other, then you like a exterior angle. Okay, of cyclic quadrilateral. And if they are equal, then what we can say, they are cyclic quadrilateral. Unit angle equal. Okay, so in number 6, we have proved that this angle and this angle they are equal to each other. This angle and this angle they are equal to each other. Okay, so that's why what we can say, they are equal. They are if they are equal to each other, then we can say that they are cyclic quadrilateral. So why they are cyclic quadrilateral? Because from statement 6 being exterior angle. So in this way we can prove our this theorem. Okay, so theorem number 27 also we can prove it in this way. Okay, so it is not so difficult. So we need a little bit of practice, so we can do everything very easily. Okay, look at question number 28. Also theorem number 28. So in the given figure, O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. Okay, so it is like in power fly. So O is the center of the circle, and if AB is parallel to BCD, AB is parallel to CD. This line and this line, they are parallel to each other. Okay, parallel छ भने दुईटा लाइन parallel छ भने के एउटा रुल याद गरौँ भन्दाखेरि यो दुईटाको डिस्टेन्स कति छ, parallel भनेपछि यो यसको दुईटाको डिस्टेन्स कति हुन्छ. Okay, and यसको डिस्टेन्स कति हुन्छ, they are going to be equal. यसको र यसको डिस्टेन्स जति हुन्छ, suppose if this arc is 2 cm, then this arc is also going to be 2 cm. Both arc, यो AC arc and BD arc, they are going to be equal. Okay, their arcs are going to be equal. Okay, एउटा रुल चाहिँ त्यो पनि याद गरौँ. अनि यहाँ के प्रुभ गर्नु भनेको छ, to prove that AOC, this angle, okay, this angle is double of BED. BED को double भएछ अरे सो हामीले एउटा कुरा के याद गर्नु पर्यो भन्दाखेरि सो एंगल एट द सेन्टर है सेन्टर र आर्कमा के छ रिलेसन सो एंगल एन्ड सेन्टर सो सर्कमफरेन्स here let us go to the given first. So O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. Whatever it is given in the question, write down as it is. O is the center of the circle. AB is parallel to CD. A is parallel to CD. Okay, so that's it. So that way you just write down and prove that. What is the proof that AOC? So this angle AOC is equal to uh, double of BD. Okay, this is at the center. This is at the circumference. Circumference. हाफ हुन्छ भनेपछि AOC को डबल त हुन्छ ओके तर यो यतापट्टि छ यो अर्को साइडतिर छ यो कसरी इक्वल हुन्छ त दैट इज आवर क्वेशन एन्ड वी नीड टु प्रुभ इट सो देयर इज एनी नीड अफ कन्स्ट्रक्सन okay so let us do it in theorem 1 okay so in statement 1 so let us write it like this if they are parallel to each other then यसको यो जुन आर्क छ अनि यो जुन आर्क छ okay they are going to be equal किनभने यसको डिस्टेन्स प्यारल भन्छ यो त दुईटा एउटा ग्याप हुन्छ यसको ग्यापिङ र यसको ग्यापिङ के हुन्छ दे आर गोइङ टु बी इक्वल सो AC arc and BC arc BD arc they are going to be equal why because AB is parallel to CD this line and this line they are going to be equal to these arcs they are going to be equal to each other and after that let us go to the next statement now so this is at the center what is the relation between the angle at the center and the arc opposite arc so they are going to be equal isn't it the angle at the center is equal to the arc AC. Okay, so opposite arc of central angle. So central angle we arc they are going to be equal to each other. Now what is the next one? So it is BED, isn't it? BED. So what is the relation between the angle at the circumference and this arc? This arc. So this is at the circumference. That means it is not going to be equal. They are going to be. So this is circumference. That means it should be the half. You आर्क चाहिँ के हुन्छ यसको डबल हुन्छ आर्क चाहिँ डबल सेन्टर चाहिँ सर्कमफरेन्स चाहिँ हाफ हुन्छ ओके सो यो रिलेसन पनि याद गरौँ ओके सो लेट अस गो विथ दिस वन सो नम्बर 3 मा हेरौँ छ BED sorry BD this arc is going to be double of what it is going to be double of BED यो BED भन्दा डबल हुन्छ किन यो डबल हुन्छ बिकज इट इज एट circumference को opposite arc they are going to be double okay so arc यो arc को opposite angle if it is at the circumference then it is going to be double okay so sorry याद गरौँ यो पनि then let us go to the next then now so if this line this arc and this arc was equal to each other so AC and BD they were equal AC यहाँ छ okay let me circle AC first AC यता छ and BD is here BD is here okay so if this is equal to this is equal to this that means यसको के यो केसँग इक्वल छ AOC सँग इक्वल छ AOC लेख्नु होला ओके सो BD केसँग इक्वल छ BD केसँग इक्वल छ 2 BD सँग इक्वल छ 2 BD सँग इक्वल छ त्यो काटेको so this is equal that means if these two are equal to each other if these two are equal to each other and यसको भ्यालु यो भने we can write down this and this are equal to each other okay so in this way we can prove it okay so AOC is double of BED that's in this way from statement 1 2 and 3 we can prove they are equal to each other it is very short and sweet okay it seems to be very difficult but it is very clear okay so thank you so next one let us prove it statement number 29 okay theorem number 29 it is a little bit lengthier but it is a little simpler and if we can understand it properly so in the given figure O is the center okay so there is no any use of O center C and D are 2 points C and D are any 2 points in this chord and here AC and BD they are equal to each other AC and BD they are equal to each other AC and BD equal छ अरे अनि के इक्वल छ अरे भन्दाखेरि AM यो chord and PN this chord they are equal to each other if this okay so whatever equal is given so it is all like highlighted over here so this line and this line they are equal this line and this line they are equal to each other so what you need to prove it you need to prove that ACM this angle and this angle they are equal to each other. Oh. So if these two angles are equal to each other, कसरी prove गरेको? So this angle and this angle we need to prove it. Okay, यो अर्को साइडमा छ, यो अर्को साइडमा छ. के गर्ने त? कसरी प्रुभ गर्ने त? और दिमाग लगाऊ. So let us draw the dotted lines. Okay, if you see the dotted lines, okay, then we can prove it. They are equal. किनभने congruent type ले prove गर्ने. Okay, now you can see a triangle. अनि अस्ति भनेको थिएँ तिमीलाई triangleबाट कुनै angle prove गर्नु भनेछ भने, if we can prove that this angle and this triangle and this triangle they are congruent, exactly equal भनेर prove गर्यौँ भने, we can prove that this ACM and BDN, that means this angle and this angle, they are also equal to each other. That is पहिला construction गर्नु पर्यो एउटा साइडमा. This side and this side related to the construction. Let's see the next figure. 29 number. So here we have drawn the construction dotted lines. Okay, construction should always be done with the dotted lines. Okay, so as far as possible do it with the pencil. Okay, so is the center of the circle, whatever it is given the question, write down as it is. So C and D are the 2 points, okay, of the chord. So if C is equal to BD, whatever it is given the question, write down. So AM is AM arc and PN arc, they are equal to each other. Okay, so to prove, therefore prove we are asked to write down. So this write down the question. In construction के चाहिए अरे, let us join, others let us draw AM and PN. यतापट्टि join गरिदिने. Okay. Now first of all let us see this line and this line, they are, so this arc and this arc they are equal. That means AM. Okay, so AM arc र PN arc they are equal to each other. कहाँ छ त? It is given in the question itself. AM र PN त यो arc equal छ भनेर it is given in the question itself. Correct? So there is no any argument over here. So question मा दिएको कुरो यही छ. Number 2 मा के लेख्यो त भन्दाखेरि अब हामीलाई के चाहियो भन्दाखेरि यसको अपोजिट आर्कको एंगल के छ? कि त सेन्टरमा छुनु पर्यो कि त सर्कमफरेन्समा छुनु पर्यो. सो यहाँबाट केही बनेको छैन. न त सेन्टरमा बनेछ न त सर्कमफरेन्समा बनेको छ. ओके, सो यो अलिकति आधी खल्चमा पुगेको छ. द्याट्स वाइ सो यसको यो एंगल आधी हो हाफ हो भन्नु पाइँदैन बिकज इट इज नट neither touching the circumference, neither it is so nor it is touching at the center. यसमा केही पनि रिलेसन छैन. सो के गरौँ त भन्दाखेरि AM सँग के जोड्दिने? यो MN जोड्दिने है. सो BN सँग के जोड्दिने? ये MN जोड्दिने. So if we add AM plus MN, you will get this angle. यो पूरा एंगल आयो तिमीहरुको. पूरा एंगल आउँछ. करेक्ट? नाउ यसरी पूरा एंगल आएपछि this side. Okay, यतिसम्म आएपछि के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि यसको अपोजिट आर्क कहाँ छ? अपोजिट एंगल कहाँ छ? यस्तो हुन्छ. A देखि सर्कमफरेन्ससम्म बनाउने, यो N देखि सर्कमफरेन्ससम्म बनाउने. द्याट मिन्स यो एंगल त आयो नि त. Okay, so यो एंगल त आयो. Then in the next side also this line र यो लाइन त इक्वल भनेको थियो. Okay, so AM र PN त आर्क इक्वल भनेको थियो. यता पनि के जोड्दिने? MN नै जोड्दिने. Okay, so let us add PN over here, MN over here. So if we add MN over here, then you'll get this arc again. So from M, if the line is touched over here, and from here, if the line is touched over here, then it's opposite angle going to be angle. Okay, that means this angle and this angle is going to be equal to each other. Okay, these two angles they are going to be equal to each other. So sorry, so that means AM plus MN. So let us add this number. So in statement 1, okay, AM and PN is there. So let us add MN in both the sides. MN. So MN plus MN, it will be AM plus MN. It is going to be A taking N somewhere AN. Okay. So from BN, if we add MN, you plus very money here with the M taking B somewhere. So BM they can go, another MB they can go. Okay. BN. Okay, sorry. BM make it BM. So it will be BM. After that, so AN, what is the opposite angle of AM? So A taking N. So your angle go opposite angle to it is going to be this B. That means angle NBD. Okay, others you can add DBN also. DBN is written over here. So So इसका नाम ABN लेखन को ना A की मतलब लेखन को DBN लेखन को okay so it's a short of laser instead of ABN लेखन होता है DBN laser and BN कैसे BN let me clear this first so here अघि के आते यो एंगल पनि आते हैन त यो आर्क पनि आते BN BM हो यो okay BM so BM को opposite angle कुन हो त यो एंगल हो okay यो एंगल हो that means S को opposite angle भनेपछि यस्तो भयो so यसलाई के लेख्न पाइन्छ MAB MAB otherwise BAM just write it like this BAM BAM तर हामीलाई यहाँसम्म त चाहिने okay यो ट्रायंगलमा कन्ग्रुएन्ट भनेर प्रुफ गर्न आँटेको that's why instead of writing BAM it is written CAM CAM okay so अलिकति यो ट्रायंगललाई मात्र फोकस गरेर CAM लेख्न पाइन्छ okay we are focusing on this angle then after that so let us go to the congruent triangle now. Let us focus in this triangle now. This is one triangle. This is the next triangle. So what are equal to each other in these two triangles? Okay, so we need to prove they are congruent to each other. So let us make it again. They are equal so this angle and this angle they are equal to each other. This angle and this angle they are equal to each other. Okay, statement equal answer. Or we can ask this line or this line equal question so AC and BD they are equal to each other. It is given in the question itself. So next one, your jun arcs is go opposite jun chords. So they are also going to be equal. Your line and your line can equal to only this line and this line they are equal to each other. So in the equals anything that equals it. Okay. So this angle and this angle they are equal. Next one, this side and this side they are equal. Or here, let's go opposite. Your arc opposite chord and you arc opposite chord. They are going to be equal to each other. So if three things are equal, then we can say that they are congruent to each other. So AC is equal to B. AC is equal to BD. It is given in the question itself. So CAM and BDN they are equal to each other. It is given in statement number 4. It is not statement 4. It is statement 3. Let's make it statement 3. Then after that, AM is equal to BN. AM and BM, okay, so they are equal to each other. Why they are equal to each other? They your data line equal because you equal arc को opposite chord के हुन्छ equal हुन्छ यो यता दिन कहाँसम्म बनेछ यो chord बनेछ A देखि M सम्म okay यो chord पनि they are going to be equal to each other opposite chord of equal arc okay they are equal to each other. If these three things are equal then we can say that these two triangle they are equal, they are congruent to each other. Kina congruent because SAA axiom. SAA axiom. And if they are congruent to each other, then what we can say? We can say our answer. So what is given in the question? So ACM of your data congruent I have find so we can assume any side or any angle as equal. So ACM ACM is here. So after case of BTN okay so BTN. So these two angles they are equal भनेर प्रुफ गर्नु भएको छ यो दुईटा ट्रायंगल इक्वल भने कन्करेन्ट भनेर प्रुफ गर्यो भने कुनै पनि साइड और एंगल इक्वल हुन पाइन्छ यता एंगल इक्वल भनेको छ दैट्स व्हाई लेट अस राइट डाउन दिस एंगल एन्ड दिस एंगल दे आर इक्वल टु इच अदर किन बिकज इक्वल the side of the angle okay so equal angles of congruent triangle okay in this way we can prove they are equal to each other. So let us see number 6. So number 6 here it is written that if they are congruent to each other, then we can say write down they are equal to each other. This angle and this angle they are equal to each other. Why? Because equal angles of congruent triangle. In this way, we can prove they are equal to each other. Okay, so in this way, so our three theorems 27, 28, 29 is completed. We will follow up in the next video.